Welcome back to another Dashcam Lessons video. Don't forget to send your clips in if you want to get featured. Stay safe.
Stop! What are you...
The more you love someone, the more you want to care them.
What are you doing?
Someone, the more he make you cry. Though you are...
They're chasing the guy. I'm turning around. There's a lot of cops coming. I got a cop passing me right now. Oh, dude, the bike. Yeah, he's right here. You're a dumbass, dude. Oh, my God. This dude's a dumbass. He just drove past me. Woo! I'm turning around in the grass, man. This shit. Oh, they got him boxed in. They got him boxed. He's done, dude. He's done, dude. They got him? Yeah, they got his ass. Woo. Damn.
Whoa! What the f, dude?
Sean, what are you doing?
Turning, and this guy was about to go f***ing around me. What do you mean, what the fuck am I doing? I just saved their lives. By checking my blind spot.
Reached out to you, you need help. You get back to doing what you do, let top tax defenders deal with the IRS. 713-489-7433. 713-489-7433. What time is it? It's saving. And then they go, the horse is secure at one of the mountains.
Go, everybody go. Why are you waiting? Go.
Let's do these thugs.
Yeah!
Oh.
Let go of your cell phone.
Call 1-855-NH4 today so you can get back in the game. Northside Hospital Orthopedic Institute.
Here we go.
Strength. Skip the traffic tomorrow. And
No way.
Your hero needs you now, and AARP is here to help. Find the care guides you need to help, complete with tips and resources at aarp.org/caregiver.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Call 911, call 911.
Kaladin said. You're looking strange, Goncho, Lupin said nervously. White. Your skin is ashen, lad, Taft said. It looks like you did something to yourself back there. I don't know, He cursed again, smacking his hand against the stone. I should have listened, idiot. They'd laid him on his side, and he could barely see the tower.
Well, that and there were people in front of me. I wasn't going to get out of the lane that I need to be in. Oh my God! What the f***?
Is he driving crazy?
He just went off-roading! Like, to turn right! He just went...
You can't see him?
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, you, buddy.
He's running. He's running.
Yeah, he is.
Oh,
Look at that. The chase is on.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.